Roman holiday. It's sort of like a Negroni, but not. It's vodka instead of gin, Campari, which is bitter, a little bit of simple syrup and grapefruit juice. So it's got that sort of tangy, sweet, bitter flavor going on. Doing about 1.5 ounces per cocktail of rockin' vodka. And we're gonna add about the same amount of vodka, maybe a little less of grapefruit juice. Fresh squeezed juice is always the best. We're gonna add about, oh my God, the color, as soon as you add the Campari, the color just explodes. It's just
Gorgeous.
so bright.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Then we're gonna add just a touch of simple syrup, just to balance out, because, you know, Campari is so bitter in a good way. Grapefruit juice is obviously bitter. And I'm gonna add some club soda to this in a little bit. So I think just to give it a little balance, I'm gonna add some simple syrup, which, as you know, half sugar, half water, melted over the stove in the microwaves, and then store it in the fridge. This is totally unnecessary, but since I have it, our friends, they sent us these really cool small batch bitters. This one is grapefruit, rosemary, and peppercorn. And I'm using rosemary and grapefruit in the juice, so in the drink. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this too.
Oh, I'm excited.
Look at that.
I'm so excited. No, give me an extra drop. I'm very excited about this.
Extra drop. There you go. You don't have to do that if you don't want. I'm doing it. I'm gilding the lily, as Rachel would say. So that's the base of the cocktail. We're just gonna add some ice. And as the Cars would say, shake it up. That was really corny of me to say that. But
It wasn't.
that's a good song, though.
It's a great song. And you're a great mixologist. I'm just trying not to burn the sausages.
Don't burn the sausages. Okay, so now we're gonna pour this into.
Oh my
look at
God,
that
the color is incredible, honey. And you know, you could serve this at brunch too, couldn't you?
Absolutely. This is a great brunch drink, actually, hon.
It's really lovely.
Good thinking, Lincoln.
It's so pretty and
Then we're gonna top it off.
effervescent
Top it
because
off.
of the club soda.
Top it off with some club soda. This is
so
kind of
beautiful.
any time of day cocktail.
Really well done, honey.
Garnish
and a great
it.
twist on anybody's favorite. Oh, put that in the front so they can
Okay.
see it because you
Anyway,
got the giant.
We are garnishing it with just fresh rosemary sprigs, and
And some fancy straws.
some fancy straws.
Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous, babe.
And that's it.
So pretty.